Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. This is a very simple program where we have to take in two inputs for each variable, and then we have to interchange the values of these variables and print the below output. So if the value of A is 5 and the value of B is 10, we should print the value of A as 10 and the value of B as 5. So let's see how we could define it, right? So I'll define A is equal to 10, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10, right? I'll do a simple print statement, value of A with out interchange is string of A, and I do value of B without interchange is string of B, right? So let's save this. I'll clear the screen. Let's save this file and let's try to execute it p008, and this is what it says. So it says the value of A is 5 and the value of B is 10. Now what we have to do is interchange the values. So we have to define the value of A should be 10 and the value of B should be 5. This could be done in multiple ways, but the best way would be I store the value of A in a different variable C, and then what I do is I set the value of A is equal to B, and then the value of B is set to C, right? Now let's try to print the variables, wherein what I say value of A after interchange is its string of A, print value of B after interchange is its string of B, right? So let's see if this actually works. Great, so we have some errors with us, so let's see what those errors are. So this is we did a mistake there. So what was happening is the earlier error that we were getting, that was because we defined A is equal to C, but then C is not defined anywhere, right? So it should be C is equal to A. We store the value of C in A, then the value of A becomes B, and then the value of B becomes C, and this is how we print it. Now I'm sure that there would be very clever people who would say instead of doing all of this, they would probably interchange the strings here, wherein they say that the value of A is string of B and the value of B is string of A. But that is not the purpose of this video. What we wanted to do, make sure is we are easily able to play around with the variables and try to understand the concepts around it. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks. If you like the video and that it is adding more value, if you want to see more such these, please encourage us by hitting the like button and sharing the video to reach more people. Thank you so much for watching. Keep having a good time.